To insert a column, select the Column Architectural object from the drawing menu. With a click on our workspace, the object is now attached to the mouse cursor. With F5 or F6, we can move the connection point, and with F7 or F8, rotate it at 90-degree steps. To position the column, we can move it around freely, or simply use the intersection points provided by other surrounding building entities. So once the correct point has been identified, a second click fixes it into place. Press the less than key to set the insert point at a certain distance from a reference point. With the column selected, with the grip extensions, we can also rotate it and define new alignments. While with the grip itself, you can freely move it around to a different position, or type in the distance from the starting point. In the same way, we can also insert other columns, and this procedure also applies to steel columns too.